how to change the power switch on a Mk2 GTech AirRam. What you'll need for these tools is just a flat-headed screwdriver. Now, judging by this side here, put a screwdriver on the side and push slowly. You'll see the pin there, push to one side and then just pull up over at the same time as you're doing it. That end comes out. Then slowly pull this way, where you can see that one come out of that holder. Then obviously it feels like it's locked at the back. The easiest thing to do here is push back over and push at the back here with a screwdriver, lifting up the plastic housing. Then you'll need a T10 screwdriver, 2 screws there, that side, one that side. Undo them, and then lift up and out, unsolder the 4 pins, change your switch, then put it all back together. That's that one screw. And the other screw. Now the easiest way to put this back together is put the long pin onto this side again, over here, push in. Now this side, again, just push the plastic housing slightly back, push down, so it clicks in. Now the back, just literally push down firmly and it'll lock back into place.